Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the Bazoo FX trading. So guys, today I want to show you how we grow small accounts. Biggest percentage of traders in the Forex market are trading below $1,000, and most of these lack knowledge on how to grow small accounts. So the first thing, you need to have a reliable broker, guys. I'm using Fxview as my broker. Fxview has the best spreads, guys. Let me show you in a bit. So guys, this is my Fxview account, as you can see. So Fxview has the best spreads, guys. First of all, I'm talking about the best spreads with instant execution. So meaning whenever you place your trade, it's going to go in through like that. So you can see, these are some of my favorite pairs to trade. The first one down here, it's gold. You can see the spread on gold. Right now, it's 2:19 a.m. in the morning. This Dubai time. So most of you guys know, during this time, the spread widens and all that. But you can see on FXView, the spread is 14. Look on AUD USD, it's 10. You can see, and then my favorite pair to trade is Euro USD. You can see, and it just keeps on ranging. It doesn't like really go beyond this, guys. FXView is the one that you have to go with. You can see, I already have even a trade on gold. You can see, guys, and I'm going to be explaining to you the same strategy on how I'm able to grow small accounts using FXView, having a very good exit strategy and also a very good entry strategy, guys. Let me jump into the video and get started. Oh, so traders, I hope you're all having a great time. So guys, whenever you want to grow a small account, traders, first of all, you shouldn't be swing trading. You need to be day trading. Reason why? Day trading, this is the type of trading where you are going to be, to enable you trade every day, to enable you catch moves, every time. Because swing trading is more of patience, and I know most of traders don't have patience, So this is our gold pair, as you can see, traders. So whenever, again, you're day trading, you have to look at smaller time frames, 1 hour and below, So you can literally see this is our pair, this is gold. This is how gold has been moving for the past period of time. It has been, in a downtrend. This is a steep downtrend. So obviously, traders, anytime when you have a steep trend like this, price has to do this. So anytime when you have a steep trend like this, price has to either start consolidating like this or ranging, or it will just from a downtrend to an uptrend automatically, So from one trend of the market, or let's say from one type of market to another type of market, as you can see, traders. So here, when you zoom out like this, you can see price has been in a downtrend, but without looking only that side, you can see this part right here. So you can see price was in an uptrend, it reversed and came in a downtrend. You can see, traders, a downtrend, you see. Now this side, from here again, from this ranging market to a downtrend, you can see. Now from here, you see, from this downtrend to a ranging one, then from here, from a ranging one to a downtrend. Now this side, from an uptrend to a ranging market, you can see. So usually, traders, forex trading is supposed to be very easy, as long as you just make things, and as long as you're just able to identify some things and make them very simple for you. Now you can see this is now where our market is, So you shouldn't expect anything new whenever trading in the forex market. You already know what is going to happen. You can see price has been in a steep downtrend like this. Now it has started ranging, you see. So obviously you have to be expecting all these things. So whenever price is ranging, traders, here we are working with support and resistance. Yes, you have heard me right. Here we are working with support and resistance. So support is that level where buyers come into the market, and then resistance is that level where sellers come into the market. You can see, traders. So we draw our two support and resistance lines. You can see, traders. So this is our resistance, because whenever support is broken, so here is support. So whenever support is broken, it becomes resistance. You can see something, resistance. Now this part right here, when price drops, starts going back up, this becomes support. That's why when you see price come back down here, it bounces off, meaning this is where buyers come in, and also buyers come in there, as you can see, traders. So I'm going to teach you how we can use this strategy. Very simple, traders. Again, I said we are using Fxview as a broker, because when you're trading in the forex market, you need to trade with a broker that is giving you really less, small spreads. But if you're using a trader that is taking a lot from you, it's going to disrupt you from, even making money from the forex market, guys. You can see. So this is our market, as you can see, traders. So as we said, at this level up here, this is where sellers come in, and this is where buyers come into the market. So this is the best type of market, guys, to flip your account or even to grow your money. Reason why, here prices, this are just going to be bouncing in between. So this is just these are like psychological zones, you know. So because remember, whenever price encroaches this part right here, it's going to try and break out. So that's why you see these wicks here. So that's why I say this is a psychological zone. So price is always going to try and break like this, you know, just to take out people. So when people see price breaking like this, they are pumped. They think price is now reversing just because we have been in this steep trend, you see. Yet price is just going to close, and then so also breaks out, closes back in, and then that's the same thing as you can see. Same to this is a fake out, fake out, fake out even there. So traders, one key thing is when you have drawn your line properly, when you have drawn your lines properly, you can see, you can even just use this zone here and this zone right here. So you can see this is a support, and also this green line is a what? Is a resistance now, because you can see price pulled back. So when we zoom in properly like this, you can see this candle right here, price pulled back after touching. So meaning we would use that zone, those two zones there, to draw this line right here. Even though you miss out on this, you can literally, you would have just now used this part and this part right here, just draw your lines, so that you can see these future movements when price comes back. You can see, so here we have one and then two movements that would have eaten off, you know. So traders, now my main key thing is very simple. Whenever I'm trading such a type of strategy, guys, I'm only going to zoom into the smaller time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame. Reason why, there is a lot of noise this side, so literally I can see my confirmation and everything from this side. So now, since we are growing small accounts traders, we are looking at just a few pips. We are not looking at so many pips, you know. We're looking at 20 pips, you know. But traders, when we are trading this type of strategy, we are going to make sure that we're utilizing our pips. We shouldn't misuse them. So since you see, so anytime price comes back here, you see traders, anytime when price comes back here, actually write this down. Whenever price comes back to your zone like this, it tries to break and closes back from this side, just like this. So you can see this right here, you see this. So we have these first two candles, you can see 1 2, those are the first two candles we have 1 2, these two candles, price, meaning this is the fake out, you can see. So most of the times I want this red candle to also close from inside. I don't want it just to close from there like that. I want to have these two candles close. So meaning here for me, I would then trade here. I would wait for something like this. So when I have this candle here break out, this other candle break back and close from inside. Now this is what I'm always going to look out for. So the other thing is that what I'm just going to look out for is the retest. So you can see how price retest on this next candle here. Even this one right here would be a proper retest, you know. This is just a pullback. This one right here, you can see this one right here, this is a pullback. So most of the times I can take my trade on a pullback, and the pullback is just half of the previous candle, because when you use a Fibonacci from up here to down here, this is just a half of the previous candle, you can see traders. So I take my trade there. So when I take my trade, I'm putting my stop loss up here and then putting my target exactly at this black line. So if you have to measure out just like this, so let's see. So if you have to measure like this, you can see traders, we are only risking, as you can see, 4 pips, and then our target is just down there. You can see traders, 10 pips, which is not bad traders. Remember, we don't want to misuse pips. We are growing an account, guys. So you can see, so what the reason why I love this type of strategy traders, anytime when you're trading like this, it's rare for price to go back out and take you out, as long as you know the type of market you're dealing with. This is a ranging market. A ranging market, it's just going to give us fake out. So for you just need to catch the fake out. Immediately when you catch the fake out, when price has done faking out, it's never going to come back out here to take you out. So meaning with 10 pips, guys, so the first thing, this is what I do. Anytime when I'm in a trade, actually the first thing, I'm going to use a high leverage. The reason why I'm using a high leverage, so that, you know, I'm giving my account, you know, more power. So I'm using a high leverage and I'm going to open so many trades, guys. I'm going to open so many trades. So the first trades I'm going to open when price is, you know, dropping down like this, you see. So when price is dropping from this level here, when that's dropping, I'm going to add trades. So the more money that is coming in, I'm adding more trades. So the more, like even when price comes back here to retrace, I'm adding in more positions because I know where price is going to go, guys. Remember, we are trying to grow a small account. With a small account, you never want to place one trade. I'm going to be real with you traders. There's no wasting time in the forex market, you know. So add more trades as you can, as long as you know your strategy, as long as you trust your strategy. Don't do this if you don't trust your strategy. Add on more positions as price is dropping. So this is a type of market. This one here, we can say price dropped, a bit low, slow. We had we didn't have really that much momentum, but when we're going to look at another part where we had really much momentum. So you can see traders. So here, this would be a first good trade. You see traders. Then the second trade would be when price is pushing up to the upper side. So obviously now here, what I like to use is I always look out for candlestick patterns. I also always like to look out for candlestick patterns. So now here, for me to take trade here, obviously there are so many things you always have to consider. You can also consider the fact that we had consolidation in here. So meaning when I put my box there just like that, you can see. So price respected this zone here, because whenever I have consolidation, it acts as a demand zone. You can see price breaks out, pretests, shoots back up. Same thing. So even this one would be our first trade. Actually, this one right here would be our first trade. Then this would be our second trade right here. Then this would be our third trade right here. Again, you can see we're just targeting 10 pips. You see, 10 pips. You're risking not more than 5 pips. So you can see here this candle right here. Anytime when you see a type of candle like that, you already know price has pulled back. Why does price pull back? No more sellers left in the market. Sellers had momentum, but buyers came in and had more push to the upper side. You can see that candle right there. Whenever you see when the body is pushed up but the color is green and it's at a reversal point like this, or a resistance or support zone, price is going to push up. You can see traders. So always what you want to do is you can always wait for this other candle right here, not this first one, but this one right here. Even though you had taken trade on this one, obviously price wouldn't take you out, but you should always have more confirmations. So you can see we have another candle that looks the same exact like this one. You see, you take your trade on the next one. You don't take your trade on just exactly this one. You take your trade on the next one, which is our spinning top. Spinning top means indecision. Price is supposed to shoot up or reverse and come back down. But for us, we already know how price was going when you look at the higher time frame. So taking my trade from exactly here, just like this, putting my take profit up here, you can see, which is again 10 pips, as you can see. Putting my stop loss just down here, you can see traders, and that is just enough. You don't need to traders. You can use this strategy anywhere as long as you know the market type traders. So I'll show another example. This is JPY. You can see this is the JPY index. You can see traders. What has the JPY index been doing? It has been in an uptrend, you see, and then price started consolidating or ranging, you see, giving us almost the same exact structures, guys. You just need to look out for a few confirmations and then you take your trade, guys. With this way, as I've explained, you need to pile up as many trades as you can, as long as you are very sure of your trade. As long as you're very sure. The reason why I'm so sure like this is I've seen these things for quite a period of time, guys. So anytime when I want to grow small, I don't make crazy amounts of money, I can just compile up trades. And the reason why I'm saying add trades to your winning trades is because most of the time the traders freak out. Instead of adding trades to winning positions, you add trades to losing position, which is very, very bad, guys. Add positions to winning trades. Whenever you see traders that are compiling so many trades on their MT4, MT5, they're adding positions on their winning trades, not losing trades. You understand, traders? So it changed that. So guys, again, as I said, we're using Fxview as our broker, guys. Let me take you through all those spreads so that you guys can see them. You can see, traders, look at this. These are all the spreads you can see. As I mentioned, my favorite one, which is USD, you can see. And you can see, guys, look at this spread. Look at the spread. Very, very small. You can see it. Then when you look at GBP USD, which is here, you can see the spread, guys. The spreads are very, very low. The spreads are very, very low. And when you look at the high volatile pairs like commodities, which is we are looking at gold, you can see here. Look at the spreads, guys. You see, spreads are quite crazy, So don't be there using brokers that are non-trade related, guys. Fxview, you can trade global commodities with leverage. You have 24/7, 24/5 client support in your language. As you can see, alter first order execution. This is one thing that I've liked more. Reason why is there's a time where I used to trade with the Xness, and then I was playing basketball, and I was trying to close my trades, and these guys weren't closing my trades, and I was in profits. My trades literally went back to losses, and that's where I lost money. So guys, I don't want you to fall in trap of these other brokers that are trying to manipulate the markets. And as I mentioned, Fxview is regulated in multiple countries, so that you know that your money is safe. As you can see, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as you can see. Then we have Securities and Exchange Board of India, and then we have here Financial Services Commission, Mauritius, and then the last one is the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, as you can see. So guys, your money is safe and everything. Methods of depositing or withdrawing, again, the simplest which is crypto. Your money is safe. There are no charges, no taxes, and anything, guys. So make sure to watch, make sure to get your Fxview accounts, and guys, more videos are coming on how to grow small accounts. I'll see you in my next traders. Keep safe and never stop trading.